Have you ever wondered what makes campus life so vibrant, diverse, and exciting? What transforms a simple educational institution into a microcosm of society? The answer lies in the rich tapestry of clubs and societies that shape the culture of a campus, creating a thriving ecosystem of learning, creativity, and fun. Picture a campus pulsating with life, where every student finds a niche, a place where their passion finds a home. This is the magic of clubs and societies. They are the lifeblood of campus culture, nurturing talent, fostering camaraderie, and providing a platform for self-expression. Imagine a cultural council that serves as the beating heart of the campus, organizing a plethora of activities throughout the year. From workshops to performances, it opens a window to various cultural genres, offering students ample opportunities to learn, participate, and appreciate the diverse forms of art and culture. Then there's the dance club, a vibrant society where rhythm meets grace. Here, individuals transform into performers, expressing themselves through the universal language of dance. This club is not just about perfecting steps, it's about creating a harmonious blend of creativity and discipline. The Dramatics Club is an exciting avenue for those drawn to the world of theater. From script writing to acting, from direction to production, this club is a microcosm of the enchanting world of drama, bringing stories to life on stage. Enter the realm of the English Literary Society and Hindi Sahitya Sabha. These are sanctuaries for lovers of language and literature, where words are celebrated, ideas are explored, and creativity is nurtured. They are forums for debate, discussion, and literary exploration. Art isn't confined to words and performances. The Fine Arts Club is a testament to this, providing a canvas for students to paint their imaginations, fostering creativity, and encouraging artistic expression. For those who find their rhythm in music, the Music Club is a haven. It is where notes come alive and melodies are born. It is a symphony of talent, passion, and camaraderie. The Debate and Discussion Society and Quiz Club are platforms for intellectual stimulation. They are arenas of thought-provoking discussions, challenging quizzes, and mind-expanding debates. Lastly, the Games and Sports Council is the pulse of physical activity on campus. It promotes sportsmanship and team spirit, and encourages students to embrace an active lifestyle. To sum it up, these clubs and societies form the bedrock of campus culture. They provide an environment conducive to holistic learning and personality development. They offer a sense of freedom and liberty, a space for students to explore their interests, to grow and evolve. They are the essence of campus life, fostering a sense of community, camaraderie, and mutual respect. Indeed, they are the living, breathing embodiment of the spirit of campus life.